Welcome to Bike Reviews Pro, your destination for the latest and greatest in motocross innovation. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2026 Yamaha YZ125. A legend among 125 cubic centimeters two-strokes, the YZ125 continues to evolve, and this latest model pushes performance, handling, and technology further than ever before. Let's take a detailed look at what makes the 2026 YZ125 a standout in its class. Engine and performance. The heart of the 2026 YZ125 remains a 125 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, two-stroke engine, but Yamaha has given it a serious update, featuring revised port timing, a reshaped combustion chamber, and an updated power valve system. The engine now delivers crisper throttle response and a stronger pull through the mid-range. The addition of electronic fuel injection is the biggest change, providing more consistent power and improved cold starts, all while meeting modern emissions standards. Chassis and suspension. Yamaha continues to refine the YZ's handling with a lightweight aluminum frame tuned for sharp cornering and stability at speed. The KYB speed-sensitive system forks and a fully adjustable rear shock return for 2026, but with updated internals for a plusher, more controlled ride. Whether you're scrubbing jumps or hitting rough whoops, the YZ125 keeps the ride planted and predictable. Ergonomics and design. The YZ125 has always been known for its nimble feel, and this year's version is even more rider-friendly. A narrower seat, slimmer radiator shrouds, and revised handlebar positioning enhance comfort and control. The new bodywork features a sleek, aggressive look with factory-inspired graphics that give it true race bike appeal straight from the showroom floor. Technology and features. Yamaha introduces a compact digital display with basic ride data, while the new Power Tuner smartphone app allows riders to fine-tune fuel and ignition settings on the go. This modern tool brings factory-level customization to every rider, whether you're training at the track or racing on weekends. The 2026 YZ125 also includes a new lightweight lithium battery to support the EFI system without adding bulk. Final thoughts. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 proves that the two-stroke legacy is alive and thriving. With its blend of classic power, modern tech, and championship-ready handling, it's a must-have for serious 125 cubic centimeters riders. Stay with Bike Reviews Pro for more insights, comparisons, and in-depth reviews of the machines that move you.